Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing and installing the AGPS SUPL Replacer Magisk module to fix a significant privacy oversight in Android. For those who don't know, SUPL is the secure user plane location system used by assisted GPS to help your phone get a faster location lock. The issue is that the standard Android implementation automatically sends your SIM card's unique IMSI ID to the SUPL provider. Since Google is the default provider for most phones, this means your unique hardware ID is being sent to them every time your GPS locks on, which is a major privacy breach for no apparent technical reason. That is exactly what this zip file is designed to fix. This module replaces the default configuration with a proxy server provided by GrapheneOS. If you aren't familiar with them, GrapheneOS is a non-profit open-source project famous for its focus on security and privacy. By using this module, your requests are routed through their proxy. This proxy strips away your personal data before passing the request along, ensuring that you still get fast TPS locks without handing over your identity to Google. Let's get this installed. The process is very simple. We're going to use the Magisk Manager app, which is definitely recommended over using a custom recovery like TWRP. Just make sure you have the latest build downloaded from the release section. Open up Magisk, tap on the Modules tab in the bottom right corner, and select Install from Storage. Navigate to the folder where you saved the module, select the file, and the flashing process will start immediately. It's very lightweight, so it should finish instantly. Once you see the success message, go ahead and hit the Reboot button at the bottom. While the phone restarts, it is important to remember why we do this. Privacy isn't just about hiding, it's about minimizing the amount of data we passively leak to big tech companies. This is a systemless root modification, which means it doesn't permanently alter your device's system partition, making it safe to use and easy to uninstall later if you ever change your mind. Okay, the phone is rebooted, let's unlock it and head back into the Magisk app to confirm the installation. If we look at the active modules list, you can see the AGPS SUPL Replacer is now installed and running. There is no user interface or settings menu for this. It is purely a background fix. You can now use your maps and navigation ops exactly as before, but with the peace of mind that your IMSI is no longer being broadcasted with every location request. It is the perfect set-it-and-forget-it privacy upgrade. That is all for today's quick guide. If you want to take back a little bit more of your privacy, I highly recommend flashing this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Android modifications. Thanks for watching.